Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Willow, you don't know, and I'm back with another video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the post notification so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video, and tell your friends and loved ones about Willow's Creation YouTube channel. In this video I'm showing you all how I cook my curry rice. Remember to check out my next channel at Willow's Creation. So let's get right into this video. I went ahead and laid out all my ingredients as usual. They are bubble rice, carrot, cilantro, thyme, coconut milk powder, tomato, butter, Jamaican curry powder, and corn. The first thing I did was to pour the coconut milk powder into a bowl with some water and mix. Then I place a pot on the stove on medium temperature and pour some oil in it. When the oil is ready, I poured 1 spoon of curry powder into the pot so that it can burn a bit and mix. After that, I pour the vegetables and corn into the pot, mix as well. You can use any amount of the ingredients you like to fit your satisfaction. You don't have to use my measurements, and you can also add your own ingredients to it. Then I pour the coconut milk powder inside the pot. Remember to tell a friend about Willow's Creations and Willow's Kitchen YouTube channel. Leave for about 8 to 12 minutes. This allows the carrot to cook before I pour the rice in. Then I poured some water into the pot, just about enough to cook my rice according to how I like it. Comment down below and let me know how you like your curry rice and how you cook it. Afterward, I wash and pour the rice into the pot. Then I allow the rice to cook until the water is dried out of the pot fully. I like my rice shelly. I don't like it too soft or hard. I like it just like this. Guys, it's about to go down. It's almost ready, guys. Wait for the finished product. This is the finished product, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and to tell a friend about Willa's Kitchen YouTube channel. Peace.